So today we are here with one more new chapter, okay, of maths, what we call an arithmetic progression. Okay, so I am here, okay, to clear your doubts as well as to explain you how an arithmetic progression we can use it in our everyday life, as well as what is arithmetic progression. It's a very interesting chapter. Okay, many of us have used it many times, but what is this and why we are using and what is the process, I'm going to define it today. Okay, maybe I have used many times, okay, which I don't know. So now in this course, let us, with a small example, I will start the class. Okay, just like you have to understand that thing, from there only I will go into the chapter. Okay, for example, okay, so Mr. A had no need for had. Okay, Mr. A has given, he is having a rented car business. Okay, he is having a rented car business. Okay, he has given his car to Mr. B, to Mr. B. Okay, so what happens? So Mr. A has given a rented car to Mr. B. So he said that now the car is showing the reading as odometer reading is 2500 kilometer. Okay, when he has given to this person. Okay, so now he is saying that 2500 is the kilometer reading. Okay, so he is saying that whenever he is going to increase his distance, whenever he is going to increase this, okay, so he has a rented car business, and when he has given to Mr. B, it was 2500 kilometers. Okay, and then what A has instructed, there are many instructions which he has given to B, because the car is owned by Mr. A. He said that when the rented car reaches the kilometer as 10,000 kilometers, okay, you have to give me back the car with the amount. Okay, it may be you can keep it for 10 days, 20 days, 30, doesn't matter, but as soon as it reaches the 10,000 kilometers, you have to get that car back to me, because of some reason, maybe servicing or somewhat or some other reason, we don't know. Okay, he said okay, B has agreed to that, and he said okay, we'll do like that only. And for that, B has to travel every day. Okay, how much? 100 kilometers. B has to travel 100 kilometers. Now he is in a confusion that how many days I have to keep it. He speaks to his friend that we need for it means I have to travel 100 kilometers. Now it is showing 2500 kilometers. So how many kilometers means how many days we have to keep the bike? He is getting confused because he is not so much aware with the maths. Okay, so he went to a person, okay, who is very good enough with the maths, that is Mr. C. Okay, Mr. C. Okay, when he went to Mr. C, he says everything. So what he does, he says that, so when he has given you, your reading was 2500 kilometers. Okay, now in one day, how much you will travel? 100 kilometers every one day. So next day it will be how much? Plus 100, so it will be 2600 kilometers. Okay, and the next day again plus 100, so it will be 2700 kilometers, and the next day, and so on. But he is saying that when it will be 10,000 kilometers, I need to know, because according to that only I need to do my work. Okay, it will be 5 days, 6 days, whatever it may be. So he says that do one thing, instead of adding such a big one, because 10,000 means it is 2700, how many times I will add it? It will take huge amount of time. Instead of adding, I will give you a formula, okay, or I will give you a trick, so that you can easily find out the number of days, okay, when you have to return it back. So he said okay, very good for that, so you give me that trick. Okay, but you saw that everywhere I'm adding 100, every month I'm adding 100, because it has been clearly mentioned that he is traveling 100 kilometer in every day. So this kilometer will increase by 100 every day. That is the main thing. Okay, so you understood up to there. So what we say is that, see, first I will calculate, then after that I will explain you what are the ways and how I have calculated. Okay, so I will assume that I will tell you everything. Okay, the formula is wait, I will tell you what is the formula. This is the formula. Okay, from where I got it from the book. Okay, obviously we got it from the book only. Okay, AN means this is the last term, means last value which I have to reach, means last value is 10,000. You just only understand. After that I will explain you. 2,500. First let me get your answer, after that I will tell you. N minus 1 and D is 100. Okay, so 10,000 minus 2,500 is equal to n minus 1 into 100. Okay, so 7,500 is equal to n minus 1 into 100. Okay, 7,500 by 100 is equal to n minus 1. 75 is equal to n minus 1. 75 plus 1 is equal to n. So 76 is equal to n. Okay, so it is after 76 days I have to give him. It will take 76 days to reach 10,000 kilometers if I am traveling 100 kilometers every day with 2,500 kilometers as my first value. He has given me with 2,500 kilometers. From there only I will count. Okay, so it will take 76 days. Sir, it became so simple. It is very simple. It's not like this example. There are many examples which I will discuss with you. There will be word problems over this topic. It will be very clear for you. Whenever in your everyday life you can use it right over there. Okay, so now let me explain you how I have did and what is the use of these things. Okay, then after that I will show you what is A. This all things I will show you. First to understand, see, every time the first value will be A means first value. This is what, wait, in this what is the A value? This is A, the first value. Okay, or first term you can say. In this one value is there, but usually we say first term, last term, nth term. Okay, so this is the first term. Okay, that's why in place of A I have written 2,500. Okay, now what is this one? This is what, this every time it's increasing 100 kilometer. This is the common difference, D. This is a common difference, means common difference it will CD now. You just divide it with this D only. Okay, common difference. Now what is this one? 10,000, the last value, so we can say A for AN. Okay, we can say AN. Okay, means the last value. N means the last value. Okay, number of days here represented by the letter N. N means number. It may be days, terms, whatever it may be. Okay, depending upon the question. So according to that, see, I have placed AN is there, A is there, and we don't know the value. We have to find out minus 1 as it is D value is this one. So I have solved this one. I got that it is 76 days. I have to return him back after 76 days. Means 1 month, 2 months, more than 2 months. Very good, very good. Okay, just like in this type of things happen where just like in Goa's. Okay, they give the rented scooties, and after that you take the scooty and whatever you want to do you can enjoy, but you have to pay them. If you have the payment, you can enjoy. Okay, so you understood what I am trying to say, that how it is being used. Such a big calculation, 76 days. If I will add 10, 100, so the board will be very small. So by using a short method, okay, we have calculated the answer. So I am saying that each and every question and each and every chapter which we usually do in the maths do have the wide applications in your real life. The thing is that you need to identify them. Okay, so in this course I have explaining you some of the things. So this is the starting class. Okay, so I am explaining you how to use it. After that I will explain you how to get the answer, because starting if I will explain how to get the answer, but what is the use you have to understand. Okay, so the next one. Okay, the next question is on a real life example. Okay, the thing is that that nowadays school fees, just as schools, just like in what we say in cities, is a very high cost. Okay, so a poor person or a family cannot bear that fees, that much huge amount of fees is there. Okay, so in our days, okay, just like when I used to read, it was around just like we used to read from what we say normal schools. We had just like 70 rupees, 80 rupees or 200 rupees the fees was there, but nowadays just like you have to pay for everything. Okay, everything. So for that reason I have made this question. The thing is that there is a person who lives in some particular place, okay, in a city. He says that he has to pay the school 8,000. He has to pay rupees 8,000 to the school. Okay, he's very poor person. So what he did, So what he did, just like, let me see, wait. Okay, so what he did, he don't know that how, when he is going to get 8,000 rupees. Okay, when he is going to get 8,000 rupees, but the school has instructed them that you need to pay it within 10 days. You need to pay within 10 days. You need to pay your fees within 10 days, or we will what we will do, we will not allow your daughter or son to enter into the school because your fees is due. Okay, because everyone has paid their fees, and your daughter or son fees is due. So what he did, so he doesn't have any other option rather than what we say, to get the money. So for that he started to work. He worked for a number of days. Okay, but he was finding it very difficult, okay, that how to do and what to do. Then what he did, he went to one of his colleagues, his friend. A poor person doesn't have the colleagues, he will have friends. Colleagues means the persons who will sit in the office. Okay, they will have the colleague, they will share, they will go for the cafeteria. Okay, they will have many things, they will move some of places. But a poor person doesn't have, no, poor person. Okay, so what he does, he need 8,000 rupees. Okay, and they said that you have 10 days, you need to get me 8,000 rupees, or I will not allow your son or daughter to enter into your class. So he doesn't have any other option. He said that now he has having 500 rupees along with him. He is having now 500. He has to get to it 8,000 in 10 days. Okay, that he started to think that how much I have to save every day, how much I have to save it every day, so that on the 10th day I will have 8,000 rupees. Now he has started with 500 rupees. So he is getting confused. So he went to his friend. His friend also just like, okay, he doesn't know that much, but his son is very intelligent with these things. Why? He is taking class from me. Okay, he is taking classes from me. So he is very clear with his concept. Okay, very clear with his concept. So whenever any doubts arise in his area, everyone comes to him, because that person comes to me with that doubt. Okay, so he came with a doubt. Okay, so this thing. So he came, he said that no problem, Papa, I will get you an answer. So tell me how much you are having in the starting. He said we are having 500. Okay, at the starting you are having 500. So he has given the letter A to that 500. Okay, after that he said that how many days is there. So the number of days or terms is equal to 10. Okay, 10 days. And how much he need? He said that he need 8,000 rupees at the end of 10th day. He's having 500. Okay, so now he is saying what is the problem. He says that he need to understand that how much he has to save every day, so that at the last of the day of the 10th day he will have 8,000 rupees. He said okay. So he understood that he has to find out the common difference. Okay, common difference means how much he has to save every day. You know that I have explained you the starting. Okay, so he has applied this formula. So AN means we are having 8,000 rupees. Okay, A means 500 rupees we are having. Okay, plus n minus 1. N minus 1 is why? N value I am having the 10 days. So 10 minus 1, D value we don't know the difference. Means every day how much we have to save, we don't know. So 8,000 is minus, sorry, what I am doing. Okay, minus 500 is equal to 10 minus 1. Na? So directly 9, no need for 10 minus 1, 9D. So it will be how much? 7,500 is equal to 9D. Okay, it will come in a fraction or what. Okay, do one thing, you make it 11 days, so that it will not have any fractions. So 11 days, it will be easy for you. So it will be 10 here, calculation will be easy, 10 here. So we can change the questions also like this. No, not change. For your convenience and for saving the time, I did like this. Okay, 750 is the answer. So he said that after the big experiment, we went to the lab. Means he's having just like a laboratory inside the room. So he said sit. He went to the laboratory. He did many things. All the switched off the lights. Many things he has switched on. I mean, just like he on the bulbs. So everyone is thinking what he is doing, experiments. Nothing he did. He take another paper. He did the sums, and he said that he came out. He is sweating, totally sweating. Okay, he is totally sweating. I came out with the answer. It is 750 rupees. So everyone is very happy that his son is very intelligent, and everyone cheered for him. Okay, so he has to save 750 every day. Okay, he has to save 750 every day. At the end of 11th day, he will have 8,000 rupees. Clear? Every day if you will save 750 rupees, you will have rupees how much? 8,000 at the end of 11th day. So you also start saving from today. You have the formula, you have the money, means how much you will have. So that doesn't have the money, so keep it 0. If it doesn't have any value, so first value is 0. And if you want to save 100 rupees, D is 100, and how much you will reach, you will get your answer. Clear? It's very easy and very useful also. So you understood what is these things. So now we'll enter into the sum of the sums and we'll start. So you understood what is this one and how to apply and where to apply. Okay. So I have explained you what do you mean by arithmetic progression. Okay. So hope that you have all understood what do you mean by arithmetic progression. Okay. And the first sum is, okay, show that, just copy down the question. Okay. So values, I'm going to write it down. So the question is, show that the progression, means the values they gave you, 8, 11 and 14 is there, and 17 is there, as well as 20 is there. Okay, they are in AP. Okay, so you have to show that they are in AP. So what I told you, how to find out whether the terms being given to is in AP or not, that method you have to use it here. Okay, so you already know what you have to do. Okay, with respect to that, okay, so let us do, and after that we have to find something else. First we need to find out whether their arithmetic progression or not. So we have to find out the common difference. Okay, so now, right, clearly it states that it shows what it shows, 11 minus 8, how much? 3 na? 3. Okay, right. Next, 14 minus 11, again 3. 17 minus 14, again 3. 20 minus 17, again 3. So see, in each and every place, when I am subtracting the second term with the first term, 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 I am getting 3 as a constant value. Okay, it's not changing. No, so it's not changing. These all are constants. Means the values are not changing. If the value is not changing, it means that, the terms being given to is in AP. Okay, so that's what we need to identify, means the difference between the terms should be constant, then we can say they are in AP. So we have said that they are in AP. Now they are asking that find the first term and the common difference. Common difference we have already understood. What is the common difference? We have to find out the first term. What is the first term? First term already told you. First term means the first letter, the first one. Okay, common difference you can get it by this one minus this one, or this one minus anything you can do, because in AP we do have a common difference everywhere, same only. So if you use the first second term and the first term, or third term and the second term, or the fourth term and the third term, or the whatever, fifth term or the fourth term, everywhere you will get the 3 as a common difference. So no need to worry out. Okay, you understood this one? Okay, so let us go for the next question. Okay, so you understood, hope you understood the explanation as well as the first sum. We will do from the basics and we will go to the, okay, again no, there is no need, again the same thing. Okay, so let us see something about the roots. Okay, they gave you in root 7 is there, root 20 you will have. Okay, after that root 63 is there, and dot dot dot, means many other numbers are there. This is the question which usually came in CBSE exam 2014, the exam, this question only. Let us see what is the problem with this one. So as the many students, what they do, as I explained you, they maybe have explained by their teachers that just you subtract the second term with the first term like this and so on, you will get your answer. From there you will come to know whether they are in AP or not. Okay, this is what the teachers have explained them. Okay, so let us find out what they usually do. Like this they will do 28 minus root 7 and root 63 minus root 22. This is what they are going to do. Okay, this is wrong. Why? I will tell you why it's wrong. Whenever any number is there in the roots, so this method is wrong. Okay, why it's wrong? Because this is not the final answer. Why? Because when you are taking out the square root of 28, 2 14 ja, 2 7 ja, so these are the numbers we are getting. Means we can write it like this. Yes sir, we can write it like this. So this is the final answer which you should use rather than using the 28. Okay, root 28. We should not use that root whenever the answers are there, where the question is there in the roots. So be careful so as to reduce them. Okay, so whatever the values are there. So root 7, it cannot be reduced. Why? If I will take out the root 7, you will get the root 7 only. So root 7 as it is, instead of 28, whatever that, 2 root 7, and instead of 63, take out 63, 3 21 ja, 3 7 ja, so it will be 3 root 7 and dot dot dot. Now you do the process what I told you. process is 2 root 7 minus root 7, because we need to understand whether means take out whether it's a AP or not. So this one minus this one, 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7. So here nothing is there, means what does it mean? You know this one, 1. So 2 minus 1 root 7 as it is, 2 minus 1 1 only. Okay, next here 3 minus 2 1 root 7. See, both the cases the value, that common difference is same. So what is the first term? The first term is root you can say 2 root 7, and the common difference is root 7 also. Okay, both are same in this case. It may not be same in other cases, but in this case this is same. Clear? Okay, let us go for the next question. Where is the next question? There, next question is there. Okay, so you understood, whenever in the roots are there, this is the process which you need to do. So I'm just trying to cover all those things which may possibility is there to come, which had already came in your exam. So there is no need to turn off your pages for where are the questions, what are the important questions. So I will do each and everything. Just stick to the video and clearly you see the video. Okay, next one, you have to find out, okay, find A and B such that the numbers A, okay, they gave the numbers. The numbers are, wait, the numbers are, I need to erase this one. Okay, erase this one. So this is the question, what they are saying, A is the 9 is there, my A and 9 is same, as don't get confused with the 9. Okay, and okay, 9 is okay. So there are two numbers, that is A as well as 9 and B comma 25 forms an AP, means they are in AP. They told you they are an AP. Okay, and what you need to find out, you need to find out the value of A and B. So what is the condition if it is in AP? Okay, if for example if it is not in AP, what we will do, we will find out the common difference. If the common difference is same, we can say that they are in AP. So now they are saying that it is already in AP. So what we know, the common difference will be same. Clear? If they are in AP, the common difference is same. So we'll use that condition and we'll find out the answer. What is the condition for that one? The second term minus first term, means everywhere the common difference will be same. Okay, so according to that should be same. So whatever the answer you get, okay, B minus 9, same answer for here. 25 minus B, same answer for there. Clear? This is what I am saying, na? These are all common difference. So whatever the common difference you are going to get, I cannot subtract them. Okay, but whatever the answer you are going to get right over here will be same, as I already showed you. Now by using this condition we will find out the answer. How? 9 minus A, answer what you get here. For example, you are getting here 2, here you will get 2, here also you will get 2. So this one equal to this one, I can say yes, because I can replace 2 with this one. Yes, okay, we can say. So now solve this one. So 9 plus 9 is equal to B plus A. So 18 is equal to A plus B or B plus A. Done. After that, one more term is there. What? 9 minus A is equal to 25 minus B. Again, that's a this side. So 95 minus 25 is equal to minus B plus A. So it will be how much? 16. Minus 16 is equal to minus B plus A. So 16 is equal to, change the signs, B minus A. Now solve them. How much you will get? Just like here is 18 is equal to A plus B, and that one is 16 is equal to minus A plus B, na? Okay, I'm just arrange them. So here how much it will be? Cancel this one. 20, 16, how much it will be? 4, 2, 3, 34 is equal to 2B. So B is equal to 17 is the answer. After that, you know how to take out A value. Okay, so you understood what I'm trying to do here. Okay, this is what you are going to do. This is also a question which came in your CBSE exam. Simple questions you will get, but the thing is that you have to understand the basics. Okay, which I will do clearly for you. Okay, so next question is, okay, now they are saying that arithmetic series. Now you understood how to find out whether it's an AP or not. The simple thing is you have to find out the common difference. If you got the common difference as a constant, your answer is in AP. If not, and sometimes they will give you a series and they will give you unknown values. You have to find it by using that common difference only, what I showed you. Okay, next one. Now arithmetic series. Now what do you mean by arithmetic series? The arithmetic series, okay, by adding the terms of an AP means, okay, you know what is an AP. Okay, the terms, okay, the values what they gave you, we get the corresponding arithmetic series. Okay, something, the series we are going to get. Okay, adding the terms, this one, okay, we get the, I'll give you an example, or directly I will give the sum also, no to find out. Okay, to find out the general term of an AP, if you have to find out a general term, there is a theorem. The first theorem is that if the first term of an AP is A, first term is a and the common difference is d, then it is shown by the nth term, and then show that is nth term is given by okay. Let me explain you out this one, because okay, so let me write the formula first, then I will explain you. Tn is equal to, you can copy it down, a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is what this is being used to find out the nth term, to find the nth term. Okay, now what is nth term and how to find out the nth term, na? Okay, wait, find out the nth term. Okay, for example, see, I will show you. Okay, let me write a series, then it can be used. They gave you 3, 5, 7, okay, 9, 11 ... They are saying that to find out the nth term. Okay, so there is no need to check whether there is AP or not. If they will say that you have to check whether it's AP or not, then only you have to do the checking. If not, no need to do anything. Okay, because they already did that it's an AP. If you will see the numbers, if you see the numbers clearly, they are in AP only. If you will see the numbers clearly, okay, so they are in AP only already. If you will see 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 2, there is no need to find out. They are asking that you just find out the nth term. You have to find out the nth term. Okay, now what do you mean by nth term? Now first I have already explained you what is the first term, how to find out the common difference. Okay, now if you will see nicely, these are dots. Now what does this mean? So it means that there are many numbers which they have omitted to write. Why? Because there are many numbers, there is no need to use so many numbers. Can you tell me what is this last number? So how can we say? You try. Once you try, you can, if it's possible, you can tell me. Sir, can we do like this? If I am adding plus 2, I am getting 5, again plus 2, 5, again plus 2, 5, 9, again plus 2, 11, so again plus 2, I will get a number, so on. Like this I can do, but up to where you will do and how many times you will do this one. If the question comes in your exam, so you are, okay, sorry. So can you do this one up to how many times you can do? We cannot do so many up to a large extent. If it is a big number, okay, we cannot do it like this now, because we does have a limited time in our exams. So if we go on doing plus, so we will get an answer, but by completing only one question we will do in the exam and we will come back. Okay, so we will use a formula. What is the formula? This is the formula. N means the number of terms. We don't know how many number of terms are there. Okay, A means the first term. A means I already told you. N means the number of terms, how many numbers are there. D means the common difference. Okay, for example, they told you find the 10th term instead of n. So that is the n means. N means how many terms are there? Here 10 terms are there. You have to find out the 10th one. Okay, write the formula. T of 10, n value is how much? 10 equal to a value is how much? 3 plus n minus 1 means n value is 10 minus 1. D value is how much? D value is the difference, common difference. So it will be 2. So answer is 3 is equal to 9 into 2. So 3 as it is, 9 2 is 18. So how much? 21 is your answer. 21 is the answer. So this is a formula so as to find out the nth term is the last term. Okay, by using this one we can, for example, if 100 is there also, so you can easily find out how much it will be. 100 and in place of n, okay, it will be 99. So multiply 99, it will be how much? 9 to 18, carry 1, 9 to 18, 9 1 98, and here how much you are going to get? 201. 201. See, we can find out the 100 term also, we can find out the 200 term also, 300 term also. This is the formula by using on which you are going to do the term of whatever the term they ask you, 10 term, 20 term. So this is the next question. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the 25th term. As I already explained you, what is a? The first value will be the a, okay, and the 25th term means the number n. So let us write all the values one by one. A is equal to minus 5 by 2, and n is equal to 25. 25th term, if I have to find out 25, what is the formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, for this what are the things I need? An I need. Where is an? An I'm having. An I'm not having. Okay, wait. an too I'm not having. I'm having an. Okay. Oh, an I have to find out. Oh. So 25th term an I have to find out. Okay. Okay. So I'm having a is having, d is there. So d I have to find out. How to find out d? The second term minus first term. Now you know this one, how to find out d. Okay. So just like minus 5 by 2. See, this term is having minus. That's why I'm writing minus 5 by 2. Minus, and this number, this is also having minus 5. So minus 5. I gave you this question for this reason only, so that you will not get confused. So minus 5 by 2 minus plus 5 by 1. So your LCM will be 2 minus 5 plus 10. So your answer will be 5 by 2. Okay. So your answer will be 5 by 2. So d value I am having. So now place the values. A value is minus 5 by 2. N minus 1 means n is how much? 25 minus 1 to 24. Rightly I am writing. Into 5 by 2. So now you solve this one. Minus 5 by 2. 2 12 okay, how much? Plus 60. Okay, so it will be how much? Minus 2.5 plus 60. Okay, I have divided. Okay, so it will be how much? 57.5 is the answer. 57.5 57.5 is our answer. 5 will come. A value is how much? Sorry, from there you are shouting from there that A is 5 by, not 5 by 2, 5. But what to do? When I'm doing the question, I just not able to listen any other thing other than these answers. Okay, so it will be 55. Then how you have listened now, sir? Is it audible to us now? No. By seeing the answer is not matching. Now that's why I understood that the thing somewhere I did the mistake. Okay, so you understood. It's not this small thing. You already know this one. You can do it by yourself also. It doesn't need me. Okay, so in this course, let us do the next one. Okay, so this is your next question. This is not a question, it's a part of the big question, a small part of that. I'm going to explain you a new term, new thing. Okay, if the 7th term is 9, what do you mean by 7th term? What I told you term, what do you mean by term? N. Okay, so n is equal to 7 and 7th term is 9, means if you are solving the answer, your answer is 7th term is just like first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 5th term, 6th term. After the last term, 7th term is 1 by 9 your answer. There are many values. Okay, the last value is 1 by 9. So this is what? This value is an. An is equal to 1 by 9, they already gave you. Okay, so what I need to find out? This is not a part of complete question, I told you. From this you frame your question, sir. Formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1, right? This is the formula. So with respect to the replace, sir, I am having this one. A I am not having. So if you are not having, write A as it is. N minus 1, n is 7, so 6d. That much only. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. You remember one thing, whenever they say 7th term, 8th term, 7th term means 6d. N minus 1. 8th term is there, 7d. 9th term you say 9 minus 1, so 8d. See, they say 7th term. So you will be n minus 1 d, so it will be 6d. If the 8th term, so n minus 1 means how much? 7d. If they say 12th term, so n minus 1 d, so 11d. Okay, so this means by using this one we will save our time, nothing else. Okay, a small thing which I need to explain, that's why I'm explaining. Okay, after that they are saying that if the 9th term is 1 by 7, if the 9th term is 1 by 7, 9th term is I can directly like, okay, 9th term is 1 by 7, so like this, 9th term, second one, because it doesn't have a value as it is, 9th term, then it will be 8d, again the same thing. Okay, now what they are asking to find out, you have to find out the a as well as the common difference. Okay, this one I have to find out. I have to find out a as well as common difference. Okay, that one I have to find out now. No, I have to find out the 63rd term. Okay, no. Okay, to find the 63rd term, find 63rd, third. Okay, third, TRM. Okay. If I have to find out 63rd term, so it will be just like this now. An is equal to a plus 62d. You understood why it is 62d, n minus 1. Okay, so if I want this complete answer, okay, this answer, so I need to have a and d. Understand? They are asking to find out a is when a is 63, find out the answer. So I need A and D, then only I'll get my answer. So how to get A and D? I'm having equation number 1, equation number 2 I'm having. So I have to solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2, then I will get my answer. Okay, so how to solve this one? So let me see. Okay, so A plus, now LCM will be how much? This one you know how to do. Okay, right, there's no need to explain it again. You know many methods. Okay, just I will show you how to do, and you will solve this one. 9A plus 6 9 is 54D. Now cross multiply. Okay, same thing for this one, cross multiply. So 1 is equal to 7A, 7 8 is 56D. So now you can solve now. By substitution method, elimination method, or cross method, you can do anything. Okay, you will get your answer. Clear? Okay, so this is the value I'm having, just like I've solved it. Okay. I've just copied it from the textbook because it will take huge amount. If you say I will solve, but the thing is that if I will fail, if I will solve, it will take huge amount of time. That's why I just did this one. But you have to solve. Okay. If you're having any doubt related to this one, you can ask me. I will send you the topic where you can find out these methods: elimination, substitution, cross methods, so as to find out the answers. Okay. So now you place the values: A value having, D value having. Okay. So I need a space now. That's why I will erase this one. So here I have to place. So A of 63, where A's value is 1 by 63 plus n minus 1 is 62 already, into A, D value is 1 by 63. So your answer will be 1 by 63 plus 62 by 63. LCM is 63. So 1 plus 62. So your answer is 63 by 63. Answer is 1. See, so simple it is. When I saw the question, it seemed to be very tough and a very big question. But when I solved this one, see, ultimately you have to reach to this place only. Okay, so for that reason, I'm saying that understand the question. Very easy it is. Very chapter is very easy and very useful too also. Okay, not for you, it may be for your for you only. Okay, the next one. So next one, they're saying that this is also somewhat different question. I'm just trying to explain you all the hard sums. Why? Easy sums you can do it from by yourself also. There is no need for me. So this type of sums I'm just trying to explain you out so that your basics will be very clear. And easy sums you can do it fraction of seconds. Not a fraction, I'm trying fraction of fraction seconds. Okay, less than that. Okay, sum. Now sum means what? Sum means, okay, so sum means, what is the meaning of sum? Sum means addition. Okay, so we have to do addition. Addition of what? Fourth term. Fourth term, sir has told me fourth term means will be fourth term with fourth term. Sir has told me something just like this. Very right. Why? Because we doesn't have the first term, we doesn't have anything. So only I'm having n, there are 4. So n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 d3. Okay, 3d, this one. Okay, same thing, 8th term. Again I have to think about, no sir, we know this, a plus 7d. You made us in such a way that there is no need to think. Just like if you say that 7th term 6d, 5th term a plus 7d, 4d, sorry. Okay, so now we got the 4th term, 8th term. Now what they're saying, what we have to do with this one? Sum means addition. Okay, so we have to add these two. Yes, so a plus 3d plus a plus 7d. Answer is how much? Say 24, sir. So 2a plus a, d plus 3d, 10d is equal to 24. This is equation number 1. So simple, huh? Very simple. Okay, the next one. And the sum of sixth, you can copy the question. And the sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. 6th term and 10th term. 6th term and 10th term. Sum of 6th term and 10th term. Term is how much? It's 44. You know why I'm happy so much? Because the thing what I'm trying to explain to my students, they're easily getting those things. They are messaging me, they're coming, that some of the parents are also coming to me, they're saying that your videos is very helpful to us, sir. Okay, thanks a lot for that. So I'm very happy for that. Means for that only, see, if you are using these videos for your studies, I will be very happy. well, my work that I'm doing over this one will give me a fruitful result. Okay, just like this, just like usually you can share with your friends or someone, like, so that they will also come to know that this is the sir who does classes, as well as he provide the, see, my classes are free. The classes which I'm providing, this one online class, I'm not charging online classes, I'm just doing offline classes. For offline classes it charges, but online classes doesn't charge any fee. Okay, so if you want this online as well as offline classes, you can join our classes. Okay, so okay, the clear, the number maybe you're getting in. Okay, the number will be there, everything will be there. Okay, the sum of this one. Okay, sum of 6 term means a plus 5d is equal to, don't know. Okay, this is the sixth term. Sixth term. 10th term is 10th term, so it will be a plus 9d. Okay, so how much answer? 44, na? So a plus 5d plus a plus 9d is equal to 44. So 2a plus 14d is equal to 44. Question number 2. Now what I'm going to do? Now I will take this book as like this. I will see a value and I will see d value and I will paste it down right over here. Okay, but you have to solve these answers by substitution, elimination, or cross method. Okay, otherwise you will get stuck in the exams. Okay, so a is equal to minus 13 and d is equal to 5. See, I'm so intelligent. Okay, so what they're asking, they're saying that write first 3 terms of an AP. You have to write first 3 terms. Okay, you have to write first 3 terms. So a value, I'm having this one, 3 terms they are saying, the a value. So you understood how I solved. Now I have to write first 3 terms. Okay, now with the red pen. Okay, a value is how much? Minus 13. Second value, so second value I have to add the different d value. Second one, how I will get? If I'm adding the d value to the next first value, I will get the second value. So d is how much? 5. So add 13 plus 5, how much? 13 plus 5, it will be 7, minus 7. No, minus 7, how it will be 7? 13, no, yeah, 3, 4, 5, minus 8. In the next term, how I will get? Again add plus 5 to this, you will get the next number. Plus 5 to this, next number. Plus 5 means minus 3. If you add plus 5 to that, you will get the next number, and so on. Clear? So adding the difference, you will get the next numbers. So you understood this one? Okay, so you understood this question. Very simple question, very easy question, or a tricky question. I'm making it very simple. Just whenever the question is there, just like you break them into the parts so that you can easily do it down and you can solve your answer. Okay, the next one. Okay, they're saying that which term of an AP 3, 15, 7, 27, 39 will be 120 more than its 21st term. Next question, which I have read already, maybe not. Okay, so they are saying that which term of an AP, they have given the values, will be 120 more than its 21st terms. Which term? So what I have to find out? N I have to find out. Okay, so I have to find out n. And they gave us 21st term is n only, sir. N is 21st term. So then they have given me n value, and again they are asking me to find out n value. Sir, maybe printing mistake is there. There is no mistake. Printing mistake is there. Okay, the thing is that you have to find out n value only. Okay, but what about this 21st term? They are saying that sir, 3 times you told us they are saying that. What they are saying? They are saying that when you solve the question by using n as 21, you will get an answer. Okay, so let us solve this one first, and I will tell you slowly. So a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 as it is, or I can write a n is equal to a value is how much? 3 first term, n value 21 minus 1 20, d value is how much? D value, take out the d value, 15 minus 3 12, same value, na? So into 12 d value, d value a is equal to 3, d is equal to 15 minus 3 12. Okay, now 3, this one is 240, 243 is the answer. When I am using 21 as the n, I am getting 243. Now what they are saying? They are saying that do one thing. A term is there. Okay, a sequence means a number, we have one number, just like this is the 243 when n is equal to 21. Okay, just like, see, you understand this thing. There are numbers, just 3, 6, 5, 8, 2, 3, 1, 5. We don't know what are the numbers. 21 term is 243. which we have got. When I have used 21 term, I got 243. After that also numbers are there. Many numbers are there. After that also the numbers are there. The only thing is they are saying that you have to find out which number. Don't know. They are saying that this is the number you have. Of this number you add 120 in this one. You'll get something bigger value. Just like 120 means how much you'll get? Just like 120 means it will be 363. Somewhat here 363 is there. Somewhat, huh? After next to this one, after many steps, 360 is there. If this is 21st term, it will be less than 21st term or more than 21st term. Obviously 363 is lying next to 243, means after maybe 7-8 numbers, after 10 numbers or 20, we don't know what are the numbers are there. So what we have to do, we have to find out 363. We have to find where 363 is lying. This is lying in 21st term. The same way, at what place this is lying, the place you need to find out. Okay, so for this reason, what we need 363. Okay, so we got this value. They're saying that will be 120 more. So I have to find out what is 120 more, how much value will be there, that one. So understood, 120 more, what do you mean by that? Okay, so now an is how much? New an, which I have to find out. 243 plus 120, how much? It will be 3633. Okay, 363. Okay, so when it will have 360, in which place? So a I'm having. So I can keep an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. An value is 363, a value is how much? 3, and n value I don't know, I need to find out, and d value is already 12. So you solve this one, I'll solve. Okay, 360, this 3 will come this one, so n minus 1, 12 will come down. 12 1 is 12, 12 3 is 36, 30. So 30 plus 1 is equal to n. So when n is 31, my answer is 363. Okay, when n is 31, when it was, obviously when it is 243, okay, when it was 243, it is lying at 21st term. So 363 is a bigger number, bigger as compared to 243 or not? It is bigger as compared to 243, yet it is bigger. So obviously it will lie next to 243, means it will be not less than 21st term, it will be bigger than 21st term, means 22, 23, 24, maybe 26, 27, 28, we don't know. It cannot be less than. If they say less than, though you have to subtract right over here. Then this term, the term will be back of this one. When more than is there, the plus 1. Clear? This is very important sum. This type of sum will come in exam. So those type only I am going to explain you right now. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next question is, if the 7th term again is of an AP is equal to the 11th term, is equal to 11, okay, equal to 11 times the 11th term. Okay, the 7th term is equal to 11 times the 11th term. Do one thing, if this type of sums are there, 7th term is 11 times the 11th term. Okay, 11th term, no? 11th term. Okay, 7th term means a plus 6d equal to 11 multiply a plus 10d. Clear? Now, after that, when you solve this one, a plus 6d is equal to 11a plus 110d. Solve this one. So it will, how much I'm going to get an answer? Minus I'm going to get about. Now minus I'm going to get an answer about 7. Somewhere I'm doing a mistake about 7th term. A plus 6d is equal to 11 times the 11th term, a plus 10d. Now what is the problem? 11 times 11d. Okay, now 110, 7a. Okay, 7, if the 7 times the 7th term, okay, 7 times the 7th term, that's why I'm not getting the answer. 7 times, so 7a plus 7 6 is 42d is equal to 111a plus 110d. So your last final answer will be a plus 17d is equal to 0. Okay, now what you have to find out, this one they are asking you to find out the 18th term. 18th term means a plus a of 18 is equal to a plus 17d. A plus 17 value is 0. So a 18 term is also 0. Clear? 18 term is also 0. You understand what I did? The same thing. Okay. Next one. Maximum we are at the end of the show. Okay. 11th term. Okay. So at the end of the show, only some questions are left. After that, we will. Next question. They're saying that how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 3-digit number divisible by 7 means divisibility of 7. So they have not given anything except they are saying that how many 3-digit, how many means n you have to find out. Okay, I have to find out n. Any sequence divisible by 7 means you want a 3-digit number. Divisible, first number is 105. How to get the second number? Add 7 to this, 112. Next number it will be 119. Okay, and so on up to 3-digit number. So the last number will be 994. This is also divisible with 4. After that it is divisible, but there will be 4-digit number. The question they are saying you have to find out by 3-digit numbers. Okay, so these are the numbers. So what are the things I am having? A value is 105, D value is plus 7, divisible with 7. Okay, and an value is how much? 994. So you have to find out n. Same formula. You can do it this one. Okay, so I am just giving you the answer. Okay, you solve this one and will get your answer. Answer is 128. N is equal to 128. Okay, so the next one. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 to 250? The question is how many multiples of 4 lie in between. See, just now we are at the end of the chapter. Chapter or topic. How many multiple between 10 and 250 multiples of 4? Multiple of 4 means the all will be divisible with 4. It means D value is 4. D value is 4, divisible with 4 or multiple of 4 or factors of 5, everything same, all will be 4 only. So first number between 10, after 10 what is the next number? 10, 12, go with 12 up to 250. What are the numbers? So last number is, second number is 16. Next we have to get the D value. Plus 4 how much? 20 plus 4, 24. So 250 is divisible with 4? No. Then what is divisible? 248. 240 is divisible with 4. So this is the last number. So I am having an is there as 248, a I am having as 12, D I am having as a 4. So n I have to find out. N value is how much? You will solve, you will get 60. Clear? Very clear, sir. Okay. Next topic is maybe we will enter into the next topic. This is a different one. We'll do it later. Okay. So next one is okay. So now there are some sort of sums. Okay. What problems are there? Okay. They are saying that just like Tanvi joined her job in a company in 2015. Okay. On the monthly salary of 40,000. Okay. She used to get 40,000. Okay. So monthly salary means every time he is going to get this one. So common, everywhere common this one, 40,000. D, let us see, monthly salary. Okay. Annual increment is there, is not D. Annual increment means every year her salary will be increased by 2500. So if it is on 2012, 1st July is 20,000 and 1st July 2013 how much? It is increased by 2,500 plus 2,500, so it will be 42,500. And in 1st July 2014 it will be again increased by 2,500. So here it will be how much? 45,000. So what is D here? D is 2,500 because every value is increasing by 2,500. Then what is A? He has started with a value of 40,000. This is A. Okay, what they are saying? In which year? Means N you have to find out. In which year? N. Okay, she will get 65. Okay, they are saying when her salary will be 65,000. So last value is AN. So N you will find out. A having, D is having, AN is there, and N you have to find out. Easily you get your answer. Okay. Clear? So we have cleared our first topic, okay, of the chapter called AP, and seriously it's a very interesting class to explain you out, guys. Okay, so clearly watch the video, copy it down each and everything, because there has a huge amount of hard work which I gave you into this class, okay, to explain you. So give your time, Okay, practice nicely, because after doing this sums you can do each and every sums. I will do more number of sums. There will be many videos over this topic where we will cover each and everything, not only test paper, 10 years, everything I will cover. First you will have to do each and everything from your textbook also. So you cover the video what I have explained you, go through all the topics what I have explained you, all the sums, do it by yourself, and I will get you in the next video. Okay, thank you.